is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and today we are here with the package. Yeah, I had a gel company reach out to me, and I'm so greatly excited. They were formerly known as Nail Addict. They have become Nail Reserve. So you've probably known them as Nail Addict. That's how I knew them. I think it was from Viola Brown, Nail Cover Lover. I believe she used a lot of Nail Addict products for a while. So now I'm going to. They reached out to me through email. I was so greatly excited. They changed the name of the company to Nail Reserve. So put that down in your memory banks. Nail Reserve. No longer Nail Addict. They give me a 50% off code, which is Nailed It 50, all caps. Your minimum order has to be 2 bottles of polish. So we're gonna dive in, see what they sent me. Let me check this email now. I will give the code and the link in my description box. So make sure you check that out. Let me go to this other email so I can see and show you what they sent me. Okay, we need to get rid of this. Too much stuffing. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, can we see? Can everybody see? I think we can all see now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 bottles. Ooh, this right here is small. The matte top coat. So let's check this out. This is a thick formula. Oh, this is real thick. It's got a very slow drip rate. Very nice. Let me give it a whiff. Very, 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 very low odor. I mean, this is beautiful. So, this is animal friendly. We get our symbols here on the side. We're going to show them to you. I wish they were bigger so I could see them. Vegan, animal friendly. I'm not sure what this one here in the middle means. I can't see. But here's the label. This is the matte top coat. See where it says Nail Reserve? Soaked gel base coat, or top coat. There's our matte. Let's see what else we got here. Ooh, shoot, I cannot see this. Ooh, because that's not what I thought it was. We're gonna skip over here. That's our 4 colors. This is the base. Oh boy. Okay, get it open. Let's grab our trusty little old silicone mat here. They open up everything. Oh, I'm gonna eat my words. Okay, here we got it. Here's our base coat. Normal. It's a thicker formula, so we're going to leave these 2 up here because we're going to be swatching. It's just an unboxing, a swatching, and maybe a little bit more. So we've got 4 colors. Let me get these right out of the box, out of my way. Okay. Now, I still can dig out 4 swatch sticks. We have a nude, dark blue, light blue, and a pretty, pretty pink. The pink is called Bliss Pink. I've got Nail Reserve if you are watching this video. The names of the polishes you might want to make a little bigger. So the bottom also says made in China. Nail Reserve, another glass, I think is what this is called. You might want to make the name of the polish a little bit bigger on your bottles. Focus, focus, focus. The dark blue is, oh, I gotta get my phone here. See, I got the email. Aqualicious is the dark blue. So we're gonna open each one of these. The nude is Beauty in the Nude. So we're gonna open each one, take a gander. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. These puppies are very full. Very full. This is another glass. Oh, that's so pretty. Loving this color. So, like I said, we are going to swatch these out. This is Aqualicious. Look how dark blue that is. So, like I said, you can order these yourself, 50% off. With my code, and you'll get 50 looks. Perfect nude. Look at this, ladies. Perfect color. So I'm going to get out 4 swatch sticks, and you can get something to drink to it as well. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways. There we go. We have got us 4 swatch sticks. We have got to apply base coat. The base, which I'm going to apply well, shoot. I'm going to apply the base coat off camera, and I will be back. Alright, we're back. The product's in the lamp. Putting it in there for 30 seconds. I lost the cap. This is a matte top coat, our base. There is no printout with this in the box telling me cure time, anything about the company, so for that I do apologize. I'm not prepared on that part of information with Nail Reserve from LA Addict. I don't know proper cure time. I have a 120 watt lamp. So for the base coat, I did a 30-second cure. Yeah. So we're gonna get that out of the way. We are going to start with our perfect nude. I want to do the pink last. I definitely want to do the pink last. This is a very full bottle. These have a great thick formula, it looks like. I'll make sure I am in frame. With the gels, you don't want to put them on too thick. You can't get wrinkling. This might be a 1 coat coverage, maybe. Doubt it, but maybe. Let me see. Could be. Could be. It's a great color, though. Love it, love it, love it. We're going to do Aqualicious next, the dark blue. Boy, these are some beautiful colors. This is so dark. I'm loving this dark blue. Love, love, love. These are so creamy. They spread nicely. I cannot say anything bad about them. Look at that. This is Aqualicious, the dark blue. 1 coat coverage. We're going to pop this one in the lamp. Next is, what was this one called? Another glass. Another glass. Feather your brush out. This is a lot on the brush. Good Lord. You don't need a super lot. It is customary to do 2 coats of any polish. Be careful, like I said, too much polish. They do self-level nicely, beautifully, I'll have to say that. Really beautiful. Great, no wait time on the leveling, it's like immediate. This is another glass. This is a light blue. This is not white. Another glass, folks. Last but not least, we're doing our pink. This is called Bliss Pink. This has got a nice wide brush, which I love for polish, gel or lacquer. Love, love, love a wide brush. Love, love, love them. Getting your brush out, get better coverage on your nail. Leave some of this off. Try to keep it inside the bottle. And the neck. This is just beautiful. Here is the pink. See how pretty it is? So I pop this to the lamp. I don't know how long I would cure it again. I'm gonna give it 30. I'll be back. Alright, we are back. I started taking the nails out of the lamp. I was going to put a second coat on off camera just because it's a rule of thumb. I have seen by taking them out of the lamp, you really don't need a second coat, but the nude, which I'm going to say is highly pigmented just like black and white, I gave this a 30-second cure. I don't see if you can tell there is wrinklage. It is starting to shrivel. It is cured, but it's got wrinklage. And I just put a normal, I'm going to say a normal healthy coat on it. So, I redid. I'm going to stick this back in the lamp. I got to pull the others out first. So here is the pink, which is Bliss Pink. True to color, beautiful, beautiful. I cannot wait to be using this in a manicure. Well, I can't wait to use all of these. This is, oh, I can't see it, I can't remember. Another glass. I'm terribly sorry. We are going to be putting a matte top coat on these. And this is Aqualicious, the dark blue. I want to put a white white lace foil over these. I'm wondering how it looks. So here is Beauty in the Nude. Which is, I think, what is this called? Beauty and the Nude. So as you can see, these are beautiful colors. We are going to top coat them with the matte top coat real quick. We're going to pop them in the lamp. Wipe your brush off really well. You don't need a lot. Oh, shoot, we got a hair. We got a hair. Oh, we got a little bit of drippage. I said I'm curing these for 30 because my lamp is 120 watts. are some beautiful, beautiful polishes. They level out beautifully. Again, this is a matte top coat. I did not get no white glossy top coat, so which I'm kind of bummed. Gotta have a glossy top coat, folks. We'll be back. Well, those are the lamp. I wanted to come back and take the time again to remind you this company was Nail Addict. They are now Nail Reserve. They have revamped, rechanged. These are the 4 I was sent. Let me turn this baby around. These are the 4 I was sent. Bliss Pink, Another Glass, Aqualicious, and Beauty and the Nude. Great colors. This is an unboxing, a swatching. We have got our Bliss Pink. Look how beautiful that looks matte. Look at that. Ooh, I love these. Another Glass. Aqualicious. Last but not least, Beauty and the Nude. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Nail Reserve is their new name. Let me get the pink one. It's better to see it. My only wish, complaint, whatever suggestion, whatever you want to call it, is the actual color name down here, what it is, a little bit bigger. That's the only thing I would change. That's it. And I can't find my cap here. These are beautiful, beautiful colors. Love, love, love. These up here so you can see. These are beautiful colors. Stunning. Would love to see what they look like glossy, but like I said, they didn't send me a glossy top coat, and I don't want to use another brand with theirs. It's only proper. I mean, I could, but I'm not going to. I feel it's just proper. So here are their 4 colors. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Nail Reserve. Would you purchase? Would you use my 50% off code? And the link will be in the description box. If you are new here and haven't subscribed already, I ask you to do so now. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, which there are going to be 2 coming along. Starting July 2nd will be my 5-year anniversary giveaway. And then in the month of July, I'm going to be starting back up with She Modern, doing the black and white sticky stamping polish for new people, new to the company. If you already have it, have already tried it, it does not count for you, I'm sorry. But this is Nail Reserve. Totally happy and pleased. Love the products. Thank you so much for reaching out to me. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Much respect and love to you. Have yourself a blessed day, and thank you.